You got a place called home. Whether you're the in a foreign in the cup, rep your area code. Check the area code.
Hey everybody, my girl is Vandy, and today is bath day for Miss Burna because someone decided to go outside and run in the mud. So let's give her a bath, and I'm going to show you what I do for her grooming and brushing and all of that good stuff. So let's get right into it. Bath leash. Well, she doesn't use this one, so I use it for bath time. And let's just tie her up. I'm going in with my, whoop, stop, shaking. Now I'm going in with my Shy Small Dog Detangling Kit. I used this one in the shower while I was giving her a bath, but I like to use the smaller one for detangling because her hair is really curly, so this is what, oh my god! This is what I'll be using. And it also has a detangling spray and it smells really good, so she's going to be smelling great after this. Okay, so this is her for the most part. She hates the blow dryer, but I was more so trying to focus on getting her ears dried because, like I said in my previous video, Cavapoos are prone to ear infections. So I wanted to make sure I dried her ear very well. And I had to keep brushing her because if I don't, her hair's gonna get really tangled. And if you have curly hair or natural hair, you know what that means. So it's best to detangle your hair when it's wet. Hence why I was trying to make sure I brush her thoroughly, because then she's gonna end up with knots on her like butt area and legs. So be sure to detangle properly. There's still a few like wet spots here and there, but she is gonna air dry for the rest of the day and probably cuddle up next to her blanket because she's a big baby. Alright, bye y'all. Say bye for now. Say bye and I'm clean. Say I'm clean. Say I'm clean, my big girl. I'm clean. Bye guys.
We never gonna rest till everybody bless. Make sure say everybody bless. Yeah, yeah. Miss someone in the sky. The other